Hey guys, I didn't even get a chance to even video to show you what's going on in this car. I had to take these screws out. There were some other screws up here. I had to take these two screws out. And it all started with this car not able to shift. You could shift it out of park, reverse, everything, but the car is not moving anywhere. After taking everything apart, this was the problem. Right here. Let me see if I find my flashlight and show you. Right here. This broke off of this. There you go, the old plastic pieces. So I'm gonna push this back on here and try to find something so he can get home. So I had to do some makeshift. Went into the store and found a earring and turned the earring into a little clip so I can get him home. So I followed him home. So now we're gonna see if one of those stores, auto stores, that have the piece to put on here, and then if they have it, we could put everything back together. But this is what I had to do to get the car to go into drive. I went to AutoZone and picked up this for this. Put this in. Alright, I'm gonna take this back off. That was my little MacGyver thing here, just to get him home. Now I'm gonna take this off now and put the rubber bushing on there. Look at all this stuff coming off. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one. There's a couple different ones, but I'm gonna use this one and put it on here. If that don't work, I'll try another one. Something else. I had to use that one-hand method and try to get it, but that didn't work, so two-hand. Alright, so
that's not the right one, right?
Oh, we could use that. We could, yeah. But I wanted some oil, some greasy one, some greasy. But this is good enough.
I got Vaseline grease.
No, this is good.
You sure?
Why people always ask if you say anything and they always say, "Oh, you're sure?" Yeah, if I'm not sure, I would tell you I'm not sure.
Okay.
Here we go. There we go. There's nice and tight back on there now. So everything is all good. Let me just put some more on there. This guy wants to give me some liquid when I need something else. I'm good to go. All right, guys. It is, man. This guy's arguing with me about this thing, man. Let me just show you what it is. Look at that. Look at it. Nice, nice. So, you can't see, but you see it on YouTube later. All right, guys? Everybody will see it later. Nice and tight. So everything is good. I'm going to put everything back together. All right, so I put everything back together. All the screws is back in. This is it. All done. And peace. See you later on the next video.